Hello, everyone. I choose joy. This video is about chicken drumsticks. Everybody in my family knows that I do not like a chicken drumstick. As I've said before, if I had to eat them, I would eat them. But now, since I have a choice, I prefer not. But guess what I did? I found a way to make them palatable for me. I took a drumstick, I trimmed it off the bone, I flattened it with my mallet, and now I have a cutlet. Why would I do that? Well, I did it because I was gifted a case of chicken, a case of drumsticks, and I was so excited to get those drumsticks. Yes, I have canned before, but I did not want to do that this time because I have plenty of jars of those. After trimming my drumsticks, I roasted my bones inside of my air fryer, and I am putting these in the freezer because over the weekend I will be making bone broth with them. That's number one. I held some chicken drumstick meat over to the side so that I could make chicken sausage. I ground it up in my KitchenAid with the meat attached with the meat attachment, with the grinding attachment on it. And this right here is my patty. And the other thing was the cutlets that I made. I've already fried a chicken cutlet for a chicken sandwich. Turned out perfectly, but it did curl up a little bit. And why? That's because chicken legs have tendons in them. And those tendons, when you cook that meat, tend to draw up because, that's what happens when you have a tendon in it and you start cooking it. So I took the extra time to go through my cutlets and trim out the tendons in the meat. And come to think of it, that's probably the reason why I did not like them when I was growing up. Because, veins and it was just too much going on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you try it. I will bring you back on another video to show you exactly how I am going to cook these cutlets that I trimmed off the drumstick. I'm just super excited. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. Happy chicken.